why most people still fail to make money online, and the 3 proven business models that actually work in 2025, even if you failed before. Try dropshipping, affiliate marketing, or watched 100 YouTube videos and still made $0. This video is for you. You're not the problem. The strategy is. In this video, you'll discover why popular side hustles don't work anymore, the 3 models actually making people money today, how you can start them with 0 experience. This is the real blueprint the 1% use, not recycled side hustle advice. Watch till the end if you're serious about building real income. Let me guess, you've tried 3 side hustles, watched 100 YouTube videos, and still make $0. It's not your fault, but if you don't watch this till the end, it will be. Because the truth is, making money online in 2025 is not about finding the next big thing. It's about mastering one simple skill and using it the right way. And that's exactly what 19-year-old students are doing to make $10K a month, while you're still stuck searching for easy side hustles. This isn't a get-rich-quick scam, it's a reality check. And once you see how it works, you'll never look at money the same again. Here's what most people are doing. Watching endless videos about dropshipping, print-on-demand, crypto, or affiliate marketing. Starting something. Quitting in 3 days because it didn't work. Looking for the next hustle. They are stuck in a loop. This loop is designed to keep you poor. And here's the truth they don't tell you. Success online in 2025 is not about chasing hacks. It's about building real value, solving real problems, and choosing one of the 3 business models that actually work today. 1. Service-based businesses. 2. Digital products. 3. Mini agencies. Let's break them down one by one, because these are the exact paths students are using to hit $10,000 per month. The 3 proven models that actually work. 1. Service-based businesses. Skill equals money. In the attention economy, skills like video editing, copywriting, UGC creation, and short-form content editing are gold. Businesses are desperate to grow online, but they don't know how to grab attention. If you can learn to, step by step to succeed. Pick one high-demand skill. Start with short-form video editing or UGC content creation. Learn it with YouTube, plus practice daily for 30 days.
Today I'm going to show you how I started video editing completely from scratch.
This is our complete beginner's guide to video editing.
Build a simple portfolio, 3 to 5 samples. Outreach to 20 potential clients, Instagram, LinkedIn, or cold email. Close 1 client per week. That's it. No website, no fancy equipment, just skill plus hustle. 2. Digital products. Skill equals assets. What if you could work once and get paid forever? That's what happens when you create digital products. Think of ebooks, online courses, Notion templates, ChatGPT prompts. You turn your knowledge into assets. A student good at studying can create a study like a top 1% student ebook. A gym bro can sell a 90-day shred challenge workout plan, step by step to succeed. Pick a niche, fitness, productivity, study, side hustles. Solve a problem people want fixed. How to wake up at 5 a.m. Meal plan for fat loss. Make $1,000 per month editing. Use ChatGPT plus Canva to create a beautiful digital product. Sell it via Gumroad or Stand.store. Promote it on TikTok, Instagram Reels. 1 viral video equals 100 sales equals $1,000 plus. This is how kids are making money in their sleep. But it starts by solving a real problem for a real audience. 3. Mini agencies. Team equals scale. You've mastered a service. Now what? You build a team. Mini agencies are booming because small businesses want full solutions. Imagine this. You build a team of 3, 1 editor, 1 copywriter, 1 UGC creator. You offer content packages to brands for $3,000 per month. You only handle strategy and client communication. This model equals freedom, because you're not selling your time anymore. Step by step to succeed. Start as a freelancer and get 2 to 3 monthly clients. Document everything you do into SOPs, standard operating procedures. Hire team members from Fiverr, Upwork, or Discord groups. Transition your offer to we manage all your content for you. Close 3 to 4 clients at $2,500 per month equals $10,000 per month. You become a business owner, not just a freelancer. Part 3. Why most people still fail. Here's the hard truth. It's not because they're lazy. It's because they try to do everything at once. Get addicted to learning, never executing. Fear rejection. Quit after 10 days of no results. Here's how winners think. They master one skill. They give themselves 90 days before expecting results. They send 100 DMs without fear. They create content every day to build leverage. Most people spend years looking for shortcuts. Winners build one skill and use it like a weapon. Part 4. What to do now. If you're broke and serious. 1. Pick a skill: short-form video editing, copywriting, UGC, or social media growth. 2. Commit to learning and practicing it daily for 30 days. 3. Create 3 to 5 portfolio pieces. You can even fake client work. 4. Reach out to 20 businesses/day for the next 60 days. 5. Post content around your skill every day on Instagram or Twitter. 6. Optional. Build a digital product in your niche and launch it after 30 days. That's it. You don't need a course. You don't need $5,000. You just need focus. If you do this, in 90 days you can land 2 to 3 clients paying $1,000 plus. Sell 200 plus copies of a $10 product. Build a mini agency. $10,000 per month is not magic. It's math plus execution. Final words. Stop chasing trends. Stop waiting for motivation. Start mastering a skill. Your future self will thank you, or regret that you didn't. $10,000 per month is real, but only for those who build like it's war. Choose your model. Pick your skill. And don't stop until your bank account proves it. You got this.